Thank you. Madam Speaker, I wanted to say that my brother Cherargei, I welcome you to the minority side. That is how we usually feel. We are extremely uncomfortable sometimes, but now you can feel how we feel. Madam Speaker, I would like to continue by saying that
Let Senator Onyonka be heard in silence. I have given directions, Senator. It will be taken after. Senator Cherargei, it will be taken after. Senator Cherargei, I've given directions. Proceed, Senator Onyonka.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I wanted to say that Mr. Cherargei, as his, he fears what I might say.
I caution you to be orderly.
But you are a brave man. Like I saw today, you spoke brilliantly about Sakaja. Allow me to also say something about Sakaja.
Senator Onyonka, proceed.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Honorable Cherargei, with all due respect, please allow me to proceed.
I cautioned you the first time. You are getting out of order.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Speaker. I wanted to thank everybody in this House who, for the last 1 year, has been in this House deliberating and discussing the critical issues. I'm happy that most of our members have come back to this House and they're well. Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, what I wanted to mention to my colleagues here, and in this case, I am not going to indulge myself on the legalese of this issue that has been discussed here, but I want to give a very small story. Madam Speaker, in 2007, when we ran for elections, if Kenyans can remember, the House was actually in a stalemate. President Kibaki had 100 members of parliament, and the ODM side had 100 members of parliament. During that time, the only outside vote, if I can use that in quotes, was my vote, which was under a party called PDP. We had actually signed a pre-election agreement with ODM, and that is the reason why my vote was accepted. How this will be interpreted as we move along, I don't want to engage it, but I can tell you, Madam Speaker, it feels so sweet to be in the majority side. Number two, it is true that our job is to oversight. And this year, I want to say, Madam Speaker, that I personally have learned a lot. I have visited different parts of Kenya, and I've seen a lot. I want to request this to my colleagues in this House, and especially the Speaker and his team and the leadership. Many Kenyans want this House to travel outside Nairobi. Many Kenyans, everywhere we've been. Yesterday we were in Migori, Madam Speaker. You should see the excitement of the public, to see the Hansard officers, the clerks, to see how we interrogate getting the reports of the Auditor General, Control of Budget. I mean, it's such a beautiful and wonderful experience on devolution that we were even engaged with members of the County Assembly of Migori. They were really averse and knowledgeable with the issues affecting their community. I really want to beg my colleagues that let us change the style. Madam Speaker, I hope I will come and have a chat with you or the substantive speaker that we can actually hold these hearings with you as the speaker sitting in this House, and yet when we travel out of here, we can be on Zoom and we can continue debating on the matters which have come public good or matters which are to do with whatever that we are discussing in this House, so that we can visit the areas we have not visited. I know we have gone to Isiolo, we've gone to Mandera, we've gone to Nakuru, we've gone to Kisumu. There was a time we went to Turkana.